Many of you are coming back together with your colleagues and gathering after being apart for a couple years. Many of you have already done it with conferences and kickoffs. I've spoken at many of them and worked with many groups. This is an exciting time. And I've been hearing about a lot of people and their companies coming back together and doing the same thing they've always done. The cookie cutter formula of a conference where we're going to sit down and look at a bunch of slides and have a dinner and, although I think this is a missed opportunity because what people are hungry for right now that I'm hearing is interaction, is building culture, is connecting, talking, opening up, getting closer together, building trust, building safety, all these things that are going to have an amazing payoff once you're back in a hybrid situation in online meetings. When then you could focus on slides, strategy, work, those kind of things. But why not take the chance when we're putting so much energy and money and investment into gathering together to build culture and build the things you know are going to pay dividends later on. So I'd love to hear from you out there. What are you hungry for when you gather? What do you want?